Do you guys want a good hammer drill that's not gonna break the bank? Then this video is for you. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Chris, and I'm gonna unbox and review the newest TACKLIFE corded. This is a corded hammer drill by the company TACKLIFE. We're working with a 0 through 3000 MIN RPM with a 0 through 45,000 BPM. Guys, just like all my unboxing and review videos after the video is done, in the description box below is gonna be the link for this exact same hammer drill so you guys can read more about it. Pick one up yourself. If they sell it in the UK, I will have you linked as well. It's again gonna be in the description box below. Let's go ahead and open this up. We're gonna put through the test runs for our different projects. All right, let's get it out of the box. Right off the bat, we have our manual right here, our handle here with the hammer drill right here. Again, here are those specs right there for your RPM and BPM. Nice, well made right there. Feels good in the hand. Ventilation, TACKLIFE here. Ventilation for your motor, forward and reverse. We have drilling here on the right side, or if you flip it over to the left side, that is where your hammer drilling is going to be there. Your forward and reverse button is going to be right here and here. Your different speed modes, plus and minus here, as we can see, with press in trigger there. With a constant feature, if you push this in and then push this button in, it's gonna hold it in and then push that to release it. We have a nice chuck on the top, as we can see here, for our different sizes. Being able to get obviously all the way down. Very well made again, very nice. Again, it feels good. Here's some interesting technical stuff. If you guys need to pause that and read that, that's going to be your drilling capacity, steel, concrete, wood, etc. The weight is 2.2 kg. And coming over to the next page, again, some technical specs. These might interest you as well. There's your sound, you guys can pause that. And your hammer drilling in concrete. There's your vibration emission values. And if you are wondering, the cord tip down here at the bottom to the tip, guesstimation, I'd say anywhere from 8 to 10 feet. Again, that's a guesstimation. And putting on the handle here, the handle actually just unscrews like this, and then you're able to expose the bolt underneath, push that open, and then without dropping the drill, I go ahead and release that, slip that on or off, and again, you can have the handle down here at the bottom, or we can alter it up here at the top, etc. For the different handle locations, tighten that up. And what's nice, they also give you this measuring stick that goes from 5 to 20 centimeters, and what that does is that can slip in right here and tighten up so you can go ahead and measure your precise drilling. So let's go ahead and get some material and take this for a run. All right, guys, we're in the wood shop here and we're gonna go ahead and test this guy out. And right next to it, if you guys haven't seen this video already, here is a nice little budget-friendly 8-inch drill press by TACKLIFE as well. Check that video out. I'll link that at the end of this video. So subscribe to the channel for more goodies. Anyway, let's go ahead and start off with wood. We're gonna go ahead and just start off, and what's nice is just, you know, regular drilling as well. Sometimes it is nice to have this little handle right here. So we have the C-clamp on right here. We're gonna go ahead and just use the normal drill function, and we're just gonna go ahead and go through it. Real simple, real easy. Just do a nice little starter hole for your projects. I do starter holes all the time for my garage racks. You buy those garage racks online or whatnot. Simple, go ahead and undo it right here. Let's say that was just your starter hole. Then you want to go a little bit more, something a little bit more beefy. And again, remember to tighten. So what I do is I just hold this one down here and you hear a little click. You're good to go. Definitely wear eye protection as well, which I am doing. And then just go ahead and come back into your hole again. Boom. Beefy as well. Change the different speeds like we saw earlier. Again, minus, plus. Reverse again is right here. So if you're coming back out, go ahead and reverse it. If you want the hammer drill function, click that over. Just out of curiosity, let's go ahead and see what it does with hammer drill. So the hammer drill obviously would be a great way to beat in, get into that cement, being able to really penetrate down. Now also make sure that you have the appropriate masonry cement drill bits as well. These I believe are pretty cheap, probably work the best on wood and maybe some light metals. But it is nice that it does have the dual function. And remember, like always, a majority of us, we actually use drills for removing screws, putting in screws, So if you got a lot of screws to do, let's say on an IKEA furniture, obviously you would want more of a low speed for that. Removing screws, let's say you're taking apart a project, removing them, boom, boom, boom. Let's go ahead and grab a piece of metal now. And also remember, if you do need a depth measurement, use your provided tool there. Let's go ahead and do a small hole first with this here. And again, the manual does state the different types of usage, speeds, etc. if you ever are confused or don't know much about machinery off the top of your head. So let's go ahead and do another hole, let's say right about here so. All right, metal definitely takes a little bit longer, but I wasn't putting too much pressure on there. I was putting about half the pressure I was using the wood. Clean hole right off the bat, very nice. And then easily switch up to your bigger drill bit and go ahead and get on in there and finish that hole up. And clean that hole up real nice there. As we can see, beautifully done. And that metal is approximately maybe a third of a thumbnail there. So very nice. I do wish I had some cement that I needed to drill some holes into to show you a little bit more of the hammer feature of it, but I do like the side handle as well for getting your holes nice and straight, or maybe some angles or whatnot. So that's a cool little feature. I like that. For a nice little budget-friendly drill, corded drill, it does a good job. In the description box below, again, is going to be this exact same corded drill by TACKLIFE. You guys can read more about it. Pick one up yourself. See what other people are saying about it. Stay tuned for more videos about tools, other products. Subscribe to the channel and thumbs that video up if it's giving you an informed decision. Again, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it intrigues you, go ahead and check out the links and purchase on away. We'll see you guys on the next video. My name's Chris. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.